Hello friends, my name is Sejal Pathak and I am studying in 8th standard. So we all know this is heart, and heart is very important organ in our body. So all organ of body have some of disease, and heart also have disease like unstable angina, heart failure, heart attack and some of more disease. So we can take precautions in heart attack and save our heart by being more physically active, keeping a healthy diet, give up of smoking. Smoking and alcoholism is the main reason of heart attack. Heart attack occurs when artery of the body that send blood and oxygen to the heart is blocked. We can save our heart by eating fresh vegetables and fruits. So we need to save our heart.
Hello, my name is Mrunal Rajput. I am studying in 8th standard. Today I will show you some structure and functions of our respiratory system like nose, pharynx and windpipe. So this is our respiratory system. Here is our nose, here is our pharynx and here is our windpipe. So begins with our nose. Respiratory system and respiration begins with our nose. जब nose air को allow करता है कि वो हमारी body में enter करे तभी air हमारी body में enter होती है. और our nose give us sense of smell. Next is pharynx. Pharynx is a part of our throat. So there is a throat, and pharynx is the end of nasal cavity and mouth. It's very important functions of our respiratory system. It's part of respiratory system and digestive system. It carries food fed air down from our mouth and nose. Next is our windpipe. Windpipe is also known as a trachea. It's a part of our throat and it's very important function of our respiratory system. It's a part of airway system. Airways are pipes that carry rich air to our lungs, and they are also carry carbon dioxide, a rich amount of air and waste of gas out of our lungs. जब नोज से एयर डाउन होने के बाद फर्नेक्स के पास जाते हैं और फर्नेक्स के जाने के बाद फिर वो वाइंडपाइप के पास होती है. So I will give you information of nose, pharynx and windpipe. I hope you like this information. Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is Yadnya Umesh Thakre. I am studying in 8th standard. I am telling you structure of artery and vein. Blood vessels, blood is beating continuously and blood is continuously circulates through the blood vessels, and blood vessels are channels that carry the blood throughout are distribute to body tissues. ब्लड वेसल मतलब ब्लड को कैरी करने के लिए जो पार्ट है उसे ब्लड वेसल्स कहते हैं, जो हार्ट से लेकर अपने पूरे बॉडी के एक पार्ट तक फैला हुआ होता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज ब्लड वेसल. देयर आर टू मेन टाइप्स ऑफ ब्लड वेसल. फर्स्ट आर्टरीज एंड सेकंड वेन्स. फर्स्ट आर्टरीज. blood vessels which carry the blood away from the heart are called as arteries. The arteries are the part of the circulatory system, and these are deeply located in the heart. These are artery and these are vein. Second, vein. Vessels do not have towards the heart from are called as arteries. The vessels are an important part of cardiovascular system, and this layer of these walls are thick and we provided with walls. Thank you.
Good morning friends, my name is Himani Chakandagul and I am from standard 8. Today I am going to tell you the structure and functions of heart. First of all, let's see the structure of heart. The heart is divided into two compartments, the right compartment and the left compartment. This compartment again divided into two chambers, and the upper chambers are called as atrium and lower chambers are called as ventricle. Let's see the structure of heart. Here is right pulmonary artery. This transfer and brings CO2 to lungs. Here is inferior vena cava. It brings CO2 blood from body parts. The right pulmonary veins bring blood from our lungs. Here is systematic aorta. It helps in pumping. The main function of our heart is to beating of heart is an important process in blood circulation. Thank you.
Very good.
Hi friends, my name is Lakshmi Manohar Suruj. I study in 8th standard and today I am explaining you the three main functions of respiratory system. External respiration, internal respiration and circular respiration. In external respiration there are two functions. First inhalation, second exhalation. In inhalation, the process of inhalation is breathe in and taking oxygen inside. Exhalation, the process of exhalation is to breathe out and to removal of carbon dioxide and water vapor. Second, internal respiration, exchanging of gases between blood and cells of body is called as internal respiration. Third, cellular respiration. Dissolve of nutrients like glucose are burned slowly with the help of oxygen and release energy as a form of ATP. Thank you.
Good morning friends, my name is Vidisha Avinash Thakre. I am going to telling about you lungs, exchange of gases in lungs and diaphragm. Lungs, the main function of the lungs is the process of gas changing are called lungs and the lungs are double layer coating and our each lungs are double layer coating that is called as pleura and our lungs made of small compartments are called as alveoli and then exchange of gases in lungs. During a gas exchange oxygen moves to the blood from the bloodstream. At the same time carbon dioxide passes through to the lungs blood from the lungs and now diaphragm. The diaphragm located below the lungs and the diaphragm muscles help to inhale and exhale.